This tiny card holds 300 movies? SanDisk's 2 terabytes microSD just ended external drives. Ever had your phone freak out mid-video because storage is full? Or your drone stop recording just as Bigfoot walks by? Yeah, we've been there. Juggling tiny files, deleting memories just to make space for another update, pure digital heartbreak. Between overloaded drives and slow-ass transfer speeds, creating content or gaming smoothly is becoming a myth. And don't get us started on editing 4K footage on storage that moves like molasses. It's enough to make any creator, gamer, or pro scream into their buffering screens. But what if that pain could disappear with one tiny card? Imagine filming 5K footage all day and realizing later your memory card flaked halfway through, data gone, day ruined. Or maybe you're deep into handheld gaming only to be slapped with a no-space alert mid-boss fight. Deadlines loom, footage corrupts, apps stutter, and you're stuck watching progress bars instead of making progress. You thought you had cutting-edge tech, but turns out, your storage is stuck in 2010. Burnout brews fast when your gear can't keep up. Your camera's hot, your nerves are hotter, and your workflow is straight up smoking. This ain't just annoying, it's costly. Enter the SanDisk 2 TB Extreme Pro microSD XC UHS-I card, aka the microscopic beast that ends your storage drama. With up to 250 MB per second read, and 150 MB per second write speeds, this baby eats 5K footage for breakfast and digests or AW bursts like it's nothing. Whether you're flying drones, shooting wildlife, or stacking AAA titles on your handheld, this card just gets it done. Built tough enough to survive lava, okay, not really, but close, it's waterproof, X-ray proof, drop proof, and even Bigfoot proof. Add in SanDisk's quick flow tech and 2 terabytes of space? This card's the MVP of every creative's loadout. Want buttery smooth 4K aerial shots? Faster offloading than you can say render? Apps that launch like rockets? Done, done, and done. You'll unlock super simplified workflows, peace of mind, and finally escape that cursed insufficient storage error forever. Plus, you get Rescue Pro Deluxe recovery software free for 2 years, because accidents happen. Whether you're a filmmaker, traveler, gamer, or phone hoarder, this microSD card isn't just an upgrade, it's a lifestyle shift. Tap the link, peep the specs, and discover why creators and tech nerds are ditching hard drives for this beast in a chip. Real talk. These cards fly off shelves, don't be the sad soul stuck in digital limbo when the 2 TBs vanish again. Thousands of pros have already upgraded and are crushing deadlines, not deleting files. This is your chance to stop babysitting your storage and start creating like a boss. No risk, SanDisk's got that lifetime warranty and a rep built on trust since forever. So what are you waiting for? Click now, upgrade your game, and flex on every lagging editor and memory-challenged gamer out there. This ain't just storage, it's storage that goes hard. Let's go!